Welcome to Chrisman Garage. Here we are on this sunny day in eastern North Carolina. Really like it out here. I got one of my buddies I work with. He has drove a screw further than anybody has driven a screw. Come here, check this. Yep. How far you think he drove that screw? Right good ways. We're going to show how to plug a tire today. Y'all hang out. We got these things. All we got some little tire plugs here. You can get these from the dollar store, probably anywhere you want to. Sometimes the tools are better shape, but all these are. This is a Victor set. This is the reamer that reams the hole out. This is what puts the plug in. I always keep a pair of dikes in there for snipping it off. You'll see that. And you always got to have some soapy water so you make sure it's leaking. I have pulled them out before and they don't go all the way into the tire, so they don't leak. So, but these are definitely leaking. So let's go over here and get on it. Okay, all this is water with a little bit of soap in it. You shoot it up there, you can see the bubbles coming out. Bubbles coming right on out. That means she's leaking, which we know she's leaking because his gauge told him it was leaking. First thing you do is you take, well, let me see this. Yeah, take your dikes. You're gonna grab hold if you can. Oh yeah, she's a nice one. Rock it back and forth. There we go. There's your screw. Now we want to clean the hole out. And then, once you get your hole cleaned out, get you one of these things out. Old tire plug. Always go through halfway, bring her back, pull your reamer out, and then push the plug in. There we go. There we go. I always twist it a little bit, snatch it back out. Now we're going to cut this off with our dikes. Just like that. We'll check it again. No bubbles. Look at there. There you go. Once you check it, make sure it ain't got no bubbles coming back around it. Check your air pressure. And remember, if she's giving trouble, she's probably going to the bad.